Hi, folks. Wayne Heaney here with the FBI, otherwise known as Farm Bureau Insurance. I am the Lake Orion local insurance counselor and sometimes called the insurance professor. So, here with another installment on home insurance. Tonight, I want to talk with you about personal injury. Let me say right out of the gate, home personal injury is very different from auto personal injury. Auto personal injury protection, or PIP, has to do with medical bills for you and me as the insured person if we are hurt in a car accident. Home personal injury has nothing to do with that. If we get hurt in our own home, our homeowner's insurance does nothing for us. But if we have a personal injury lawsuit where we are the subject of a personal injury lawsuit, that's where this comes into play. But it's not personal injury as if we hurt somebody. It is personal injury if we are, and there are five very specific things: false arrest or detention or imprisonment. Somebody has maliciously prosecuted us, so the government or an entity has prosecuted us and it's malicious. Wrongful eviction or wrongful entry or invasion of the right of private occupancy of a room or a home or a premises that we occupy that is committed by us or on behalf of the owner or the landlord or the lessor of a property, or oral or written communication or oral or written publication. So basically, libel and slander. And this is the kind of personal injury that homeowners insurance policies can help with. The cases where I've actually seen this play out a bit have to do with social media and often with teenagers. But it doesn't have to be teenagers. But if somebody says something, talks smack about another person or about the person's business on social media, that becomes a form of oral or written communication, and people can be sued for that. And this personal injury protection, that's again part of home, not auto, that's when this will come into play and offer some assistance, especially on the defense. If it turns out that somebody did something knowingly and falsely, so for example, if they knowingly and falsely were to publish smack about another person or about a person's business and they know it's wrong, then the protection in the home policy will probably not go very far. But if people are simply living their lives trying to do the right thing and they get somehow embroiled in some kind of a legal case that causes them to be falsely arrested or falsely prosecuted or wrongfully evicted, or charged with libel and slander, and as far as they're concerned, they weren't doing anything wrong, then that's what this protection is there for. So in cases that I've seen, this personal injury protection is optional. It's something that can be picked to put into home policies or not put into home policies. The ones I've seen, they don't cost a lot, so I usually encourage people to leave it alone. But as with all things insurance, I encourage you to talk to your own insurance counselor and make sure that your protection plan fits your specific situation. If you don't have a personal insurance counselor, I am Wayne Haney with the FBI. I'm located in downtown Lake Orion. Always happy to advise. Stay safe.